It's January. It's bloody cold here in southern Sweden. But the sun's come out, we've got a fire. We've been making damn good progress on this place. So please subscribe and let me show you what we've been up to. So one big thing that's happened since last time is that the roof terrace is pretty much finished. Ferdy made these fantastic metal railings to stop people falling off the edge, and yeah, it feels amazing up here. Great view as well. So here we are in the kitchen barn, and there used to be two holes here in the floor which go down to the cellar, which is underneath here, which looks like a horror film set. There used to be chickens living in there. This is what lies underneath. Does anyone want to come and film a horror film here before we smarten this all up? Because it's perfect. In fact, that's quite a good thumbnail. Anyway, so Ferdy and I, we built some shuttering underneath.
How do I go? How do we go inside? How do I go inside?
No, we're stuck down here now. And then we poured concrete on top, and now this room is intact, apart from a little hole here, which is going to be where the vegetable peelings fall through into a big bin in the cellar there. Another very big thing that's happened in here in the last week or so is that me and Tommy fixed all the windows. We basically took out all the glass, cleaned the frames, and then Tommy put the glass back in. We had to cut some new bits and stuff, but we now have all good windows in here. I'm taking out all the old panes, which have all been kind of siliconed in here over the years, patched up. Tommy is putting them back in with some fresh putty, which is looking very good. They are beautiful windows, but it is very cold and drizzling. So anyway, there you go. At least we have a roof. This one's just held in with nails. What a mess. But soon it will be transformed to look like this. Oh, beautiful. New glass. Well, some new glass, some recycled glass. These are looking very good. Yeah, man. This is really looking amazing now. So this room is kind of ready to paint, almost. And we're going to seal the floor, the concrete floor. And yeah, it's quite exciting. It's feeling like the very last stage where this room will start feeling finished. Alright, so I am cleaning out all the old putty and stuff, silicone and all the stuff that's been put in these windows over the years, using this multi-master with a grinder on it, which is doing pretty good, and the angle grinder with a brush, and Ferdy's hammer, which he left here, and a chisel. Yeah, this one's nearly done. Alrighty. How good does this look? Tommy is just a legend. There he is. We also filled in the holes in the middle barn, which went from up here to here. down in what's going to be the wood workshop and metal and ceramics and all the messy stuff, which is also really feeling almost finished actually. Just got a bit of patching up left to do on the walls, and then put the wooden parquet floor down, and yeah, this will be done. And now let's see what we've been up to in here. It's a big mess, but it is very nearly finished. So the kitchen is basically in under all this mess, including a concrete worktop which I cast, which turned out pretty good, even if it cracked slightly when we were putting it in. I've fixed the crack now. But anyway, yeah, Ferdy built the whole thing out of oak from the sawmill down the road. So yeah, on another episode, maybe next episode, this will all be finished and looking glorious. Yeah, but the big thing in here is these amazing railings upstairs, which Tommy made. And Elsa painted them, and man, they look so amazing. In fact, up here is totally done, except the floor needs to be oiled and yeah, a bit more hoovering. Put the beds in, light the incense, and then it's done. So in here, which is going to be the kind of standalone bedroom and ensuite bathroom, the bathroom's done. Just need to put the toilet on and put the sink on and the shower. But everything else is done. The tiles are on. We need to paint the floor, but it's very close now. And here we are in the second bathroom in the gatehouse, which is also done except for the shower and the toilet and stuff. But the walls are all done, and yeah, it feels very close now. So thanks very much for watching. We might actually change the name of the channel to Idea Farm, seeing as it feels a bit more appropriate these days. Anyway, please subscribe if you haven't already. Look after each other, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.